Hello, my name is Dalibor Parac from Bosnia Agile. I have here Jorgen Hesselberg from Intel, who talked on our conference about Agile beyond budgeting. Jorgen, so what is beyond budgeting and how it aligns with Agile?
Beyond budgeting is really just a set of values and principles that really is targeted to making sure that organizations can change, that they can adapt to change along the way. I think how it aligns with Agile is it is exactly the same thing that we do in sort of the software industry. Beyond budgeting is kind of a management language and way of thinking of agility in that way. So those two together work really well.
And for the companies who adopted the beyond budgeting approach, how they measure progress?
Well, there's different levels of adoption, I guess you can say. Handelsbanken is one of them. Lots of other companies have done it too. I think in general, how they measure progress is more relative. Like they don't try to set a set target. They try to compare themselves against industry, against other peers, and they do that continuously. So it's not just, here's the target and hit that. It's more like, how are we doing compared to others? And how do we continue to improve ourselves?
And how those companies, how it can help accomplish them the sustainable agility?
Yeah, how do you sustain Agile and beyond budgeting like that? A lot of it has to do with management support, having executives who actually are willing to invest in this, and being able to actually experiment along the way. Sort of failing fast, as they say, and being able to say, you know what, we're not going to have all the answers, but we're going to keep changing, we're going to keep trying, and we know that this is the right way to do it, so we're committed. And that's the long-term thing that needs to happen.
And how do you see beyond budgeting and Agile in general in future?
I see those two actually coming together even tighter. Right now, it's starting to happen right now. You hear people talking about it more and more. I think this is going to be even more tighter in the future. I think those two align so nicely. There's two different sort of camps, I guess you can say, and communities. They're now coming together to talk about these things. So I think we'll see a lot more of that going forward.
And the last question, have you had a chance to see the Sarajevo? What do you think about it?
I've only been there for a couple of days, but it is awesome. I'm really excited about Sarajevo. I think the thing that I like the best is it's actually three things. It's the food, wonderful food, nature, gorgeous nature, and the people, awesome people.
Thank you, Jorgen, very much.
Thank you.